I'm freaking out, guys. We have the new setup on the 85, new engine tune, new transmission tune, new shoes at 295s, man. Holy mother of God! We just ran an insane amount. Dude, what? That magic button. It's magic. It's magic. What is going on, guys? My name is Lextasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another drag strip video. I am super pumped. We got the R7 here, and we're here to kill it, man. I hope you guys can hear me, but every car is like started right now. It's insane, but we're so pumped to have it here. We're running on full E85. I mean, I have a full tank since we broke down, so I got a lot of wiggle room, a lot of playroom, and I just learned something else about this car that I'm gonna try maybe after the first pass, but we're not gonna waste any time. As you can hear, it's super busy here. We're gonna jump on, we're gonna have fun, but I'll tell you this, just from driving it here, you have to drive the car now. Like, this is not just a little four-door family car anymore, guys, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. Let's go. Alright, guys, to sit there and tell you that I'm not completely panicking out of my mind would be a complete BS. Yo, I mean, there's so much that could go wrong, but so much can go right. That's the secret I'm keeping from you guys that I'm not telling you yet, because that's going to be the next run. But right now, I'm going to do a launch control. I'll probably do like a 2,000 RPM because I just don't know what the car will do. It's not just like, oh man, mash it and hold the steering wheel straight and go. You gotta actually fight the car, which is, it's a new feeling in a luxury vehicle like this, man. A four-door sedan. Of course, Michael with the awesome burnout. I can't do it. Rear wheel drive only. Oh, my heart's racing. I got goosebumps. We're gonna do a slight launch. 2,000 RPM. Jesus. Whoa! Oh, I'm not gonna tell you what it just ran. Oh, you're not gonna believe this. He was not getting away from me as fast as last time. Oh, I felt so good on that launch, man. First, it was like hesitating because 2,000, I guess, is not enough to really spool up the turbos, so it wasn't doing enough. But thank you, sir. I'm gonna say low sevens. Low sevens. Let's see. Audi 725. Bro, we hit 725 at 182 60 foot. That's what I was saying. 60 foot is what was slow. We got 725 at 100 miles an hour. We just cut 0.2 of a second off, guys. And that was not really launching it at all. Oh my God. Oh, okay. And like I was saying, I have not done what I'm supposed to do. It's a little secret that you're supposed to turn on. And you're going to cut off about 0.4 of a second off on your 60 foot. That's strong. So imagine what it's going to do in the 8th, man. But I'm very impressed right now with my car. Correction, with my wife's car. Wait, oh, okay, really? Really? You're on slicks and all?
You know what's funny?
Yeah.
I bumped too far, so it red lit me, so I had to go off your go.
Oh, so you lost. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, he lost. I knew it.
Damn it.
I did. I was catching you back up, though. I had you.
Yeah, you did great.
You know that one saying?
Yeah.
What'd you run?
Actually, it didn't show my time because I red lit. It showed
for real?
for my entire time.
No!
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not 720, man. I got 720 now. There's our boy Kelly, also local dude. So he's an SS. He was supposed to run the ZL1, but he never showed up. Guess he wussied out, but we're not telling him that. But anyways, I'm gonna run him on my, you know, the four-door sedan. Let's see what that does. Oh, snap! That's a taxi I want to take. That's what I'm talking about. Bro, he'll take you to school right there, man. That is sick. Oh, here comes our boy John, box body. But anyways, hey, guess who's here?
My dinner. That's who's here.
No, that's later, bro. It looks like Joey showed up.
No, that's
you want to run him?
That's my dinner.
Oh, that's your. I'm sorry. I'm so far behind. Oh my God! Don't you wish you could be that fast?
I got YouTube. I've seen better.
Oh my God. 6'6", wow. What's up, bro? How you doing? That was a good pass. I mean, that was a Porsche though. You can't really, Ain't nobody got nothing for a Porsche. Dude, I like the setup, first off.
They're working.
You wanna what? You wanna?
I like them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right now or later?
Now we're good.
Now?
Yeah.
All right, bet, man. Let's go. Yo, that guy's legit, man. Me and him have raced a few times already, but that's the first time he's actually on the slick, so that's gonna be interesting. Let's hop on in, get this car going. So the special button we're pressing is going to be the traction control. So when you press traction control off, what it does is it gets rid of that fart noise that comes out of the Audi, which is awesome. So what it will do is they'll actually, instead of derating the engine or messing with the timing or the ignition to make that noise, it can actually save you up to 0.4 of a second on your 60 foot. What? Nobody's lined up with me. I'm running by myself. Kelly went with the guy in the front of me, man. That sucks. All right, I'm actually gonna launch it. I'm gonna turn off traction control. Whatever happens, happens. So who am I running? I'm not running anybody. Okay, better for me. Holy mother of God! Alrighty then. Bro, I think I may have crapped my pants. What just happened? I swear we're in the sixes. We have to be. Oh my God, I can't talk right now. We're just gonna cruise to the gate. We're gonna get our numbers. And if we're not in the sixes, I'm gonna park the car because that had to be a 160 something 60 foot. It had to. Thank you, sir. Moment of truth, guys. All that work, $6 grand. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. We ran the 697, guys. 697 at 100. Our 60 foot was 162. I am screaming right now. Good thing they can't hear me. The windows are tinted because I look like a lunatic. I hope I don't blow your eardrums out, dude. We just ran an insane amount. Dude, what? That magic button. It's magic. It's magic. Dude, okay, all right. 162 on the 60 foot. We ran a 697 at 100 miles an hour. Our speed was the same, but because we launched so freaking insane and shifts were better with not that farting noise, we just cut off another 1/4 of a second. A 1/4 of a freaking second. Dude, we got ourselves a 6-second car, guys. Just on doing E and of course tuning and oh my, dude. This is the best day of my life. This is the best day I've had in a while. All the BS we went through is so worth it right now. Oh my God. All right, play cool, bro. Tell them it was an 8-second run, whatever. Line up, let's go. I ain't even worried. Guys, so we just got done with that run. We're gonna do it again. So if I could get it at 684, no joke, that is GTR numbers. And I ran it once. I have not been able to get in the sixes at all on the GTR. It just spins. We deflated the tires. We've done everything. I can't get it to hook. I mean, it's game over. So I don't know if this car, if it stays consistent, it's faster than the GTR. It's just point proven 100% across the board. Top end though, it does lose it a little. The shifts get a little bit slower, but nothing like we were experiencing before. That was a pain. That was horrible. Couldn't stand it, but it's better now. Way better now. I'm blown away, guys. I'm just talking right now because it stops me from screaming because I don't want to scream. I want to go see Joey run though. Look who it is. What's up, man?
What's up,
so,
brother?
The other rap wasn't good enough, huh?
Yeah, I know,
dude,
right?
This thing is sexy, man.
Appreciate it.
Oh, the new setup, bro. Yep. Golly. Dude, that's the Belix you were telling me about.
Yes.
Are they better, you think, than the Welds, or is it just different setup? Like different?
They're different brand. I mean,
yeah.
I'm supposed to be better. My rear wheels only weigh 7 pounds apiece.
You're kidding? What?
Yes, they weigh 7 pounds.
That's insane. What is this, bro? This a magic button?
Line lock.
No way. You got it done?
Without ever moving.
Oh, snap, bro.
Sit in one spot.
That's amazing. So are you, what map are you on, if I may ask?
Yet, so,
okay.
And I'm not going to go, because they had to remove my sway bar. Nobody told me when I changed the rear brakes and changed all the setup and all that. But we'll see. I'm going to do a light run on map 5.
Just to practice the line lock?
Yeah, really just practice line lock. I mean, it may take me a second in the water box.
Bro, I can't wait, man. This is a sick setup, guys. Jesus.
Watching your videos, everything's looking good.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that, bro.
I hate to say it, but the one with the two car shows, I liked it when you visited my hotel.
Hey, I do too, man. It's always fun. I love it. Hey, good luck, bro. All right, guys, round number 3. If we get another 6 seconds, that no joke, this means this car is more consistent and faster than the GTR. Yes, it ran a 697. GTR ran a 684, so it's only like a 1/10 of a second. But if it's consistent, that's what's important, because I've only gotten a chance to get it in the 6s once on the GTR. But we're gonna do the same magic trick, guys. We're gonna just freaking launch it. 3,000 RPM, come on. Oh my God. Ah, did you hear that, guys? Did you hear that? It had a little, hit the red line, didn't want to shift, but that was very strong. I wouldn't say it ran a 160, but that threw me in the seat, man. We launched great, but I don't know. I felt like something was acting up. I'm not saying we ran bad times, but I don't think we hit a 6 second, guys. We gotta get that 6 seconds. I think I stayed on a little too high at 3,000, but 295s are doing work. Thank you. All right, guys, we got 696, boys. We are this. Oh my God. Hold on, nobody be. We got a 159 60 foot. We just ran faster than the GTR. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. My wife is faster than me. 159 in the 60 foot, 696 in the 1/8 of a mile. We are consistently in the 6 seconds, guys. What I'm gonna do different this time is I'm gonna let it cool off. I need to, because I just did a back-to-back. I'm gonna try manual next time, see if that does anything different. How was that?
That was better. I was all over the track.
I know, I seen that.
I couldn't get my burnout, and my dumb ass forgot to turn my front wheels off. I'm like,
oh, that's nice.
What an idiot.
Don't break that.
Yeah, no, so I had my brakes. I had my brakes held, and my tires trying to turn.
Nice. Three series action. That's a turbo on 335 versus a Mazda Miata. I can pretty much predict what's going to happen here, but I could be wrong. RS3 putting down a low 7-second car. I think he's on E as well, so we're actually faster than him, and we weigh like 1,000 pounds more. But we do have a bigger motor, but that's insane. Oh, dude, he's got no seats. That ain't even fair. That's not even fair.
Oh no, it's fair now because it can't go in reverse.
That's true.
Go anywhere.
The exhaust is like hanging, so if he backs it up, he's gonna rip it off. Let me show you what's in this car, so you know how hard it is to run what I ran. First off, let's start here. Tons of boxes. I got a car seat in here. I have my backpack full of stuff. It's about 20 pounds. Then we move on to the back seats, which I have a car seat in here. Oh, and I forgot to take out the 2 gallons of, or 2 canisters of 2 gallons of V85 as well. So this car is full interior, full everything, and we're killing it. We ran a 696. Nobody knows yet, but I want to get a 680s, something, 680s, please, maybe. Let's go, let's try. It don't matter, bro. I tried getting your attention. You wouldn't talk to me. I ran 2 690s,
smells so
man.
new in here.
690s?
That's fucking crazy.
See, nobody believes it. He's got some fast cars. I don't want to say because it's probably top secret and I'll get killed. But for him to say that, that means a lot to me. Mike, you don't know this, but that means a lot. So let's just go kill it, man. Let's just go. Let's just do it. You know what I mean? Devin, everybody, Devin, what's up, bro?
What's up?
So this thing I've told you guys about that literally shifts gears so quick, it's like it's an automatic, man.
Yeah.
So what do you want? I mean, have you ran yet?
I ran a 770.
Okay.
I was just filling it out.
Yeah. Because you have a new setup, right?
Yeah, but I tried to launch it.
Yeah.
Clutch.
Not happening.
First, second.
You see who's racing, don't you?
Who?
Look behind you.
This is not happening.
It is happening.
No, it's not.
Yep.
There ain't no way.
Hey, there's some way.
You're kidding.
I told you.
After months and months of trying to talk smack, I finally get a race out of both of y'all. Holy crap, check this out. Okay, okay. Dude, they are going at it.
So we'll
Dude, it's up here. I can literally see myself. Look at that.
Kid's passing out.
I'll use it from here.
That's awesome. We're running, oh, sick, dude. That freaking crazy looking fat tire. I don't even know what that is. All right, we got the traction control off, guys. This is our last run of the night. We're just set for an hour waiting for this oil spill to be cleaned up, so. Oh, God dang it. Woo, we got him. I red lit. I freaking red lit. That thing pushed through the brakes, man. I was like at 3,500 RPM, so that's my fault that we red lit, but I don't know if I'll still get a time slip or not. I hope I do. Come on, guys. That was an insane run. That was super good. He did not catch up on me at all. I wish the camera was facing the wrong way, or the right way. Guys, wish me luck, man. I really hope we got a great number. We need a strong number right now. Please, 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 please. 161. Okay, just as I thought. So we did a 161. What? 692. No, we go back in line. We are going back in line. No, sir. I am not taking that now. No, 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 no. We're way too close. All right, we're getting right back in line, guys. I'm not even playing with you. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the night is done. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the 5th run in because, well, somebody spilled more oil on the freaking track, so they were cleaning up for like 45 minutes. I gave up. It was just too long to wait. So I wanted to catch up with these guys because they took off as well. So we're gonna go grab some dinner. But anyways, guys, I just want to talk about this car a little bit more because it deserves it. It deserves the praise. Guys, E85, retuned engine, retuned the transmission, made a major difference. Guys, this thing ran a 692, a 6-second car, and it had a 162 60 foot. I thought we hit 1.5s, but we didn't. That's probably gonna be the next time. I was just a little too scared to put it at 4,000 launch control and launch it. But you know what? That button I told you about, that magic button, it's called the MX, or acceleration max is what they call it in Germany, I guess, or whatever it's called. All it is the traction control button, but when you press it off, and then when you mash the brake pedal and the gas pedal at the same time, and what it does is instead of you hearing that, you know, that farting sound that you hear from the Audi from the RS7, it gets rid of that, because all that does is actually derace the ignition timing or whatever it's called, and that's where it gives you that brap sound, but it actually loses the time that you need whenever you're taking off. So whenever you press traction control, I love these cars, and then you take off, it actually helps you substantially. As you can tell me, we're in the 6s, guys. I can't wait to bring it back, guys. I'm going to do like a 4,000 RPM launch, of course, but next videos we're coming is, of course, it's going on the dyno. Of course, we're going to do street racing and race the GTR. I can't wait for that, but thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy your lives, enjoy your friends, and I will see you guys next time.